Microbiome and the immune system. How are they related? What is the link between the two? And what is the connection for our health? Learn with me how microbiome and the immune system are linked together and how it helps us live a healthy life with a joint effort. Hello, I am Rajitha Bommakanti, registered nurse, faith-based holistic coach, and founder of Healthy You Lifestyle Center. If you want to develop healthy habits for life, one step at a time, then click the red subscribe button and the bell icon right now. All right, let's understand what is microbiome. The human gastrointestinal system harbors many bacteria inside our digestive system, right? That gut bacteria has a lot of influence in the homeostasis of our body and also any of the disease processes that occur. So there are many factors that shape the gut microbiome, the gut microbiota. So, but what is the main driver of this? It is the diet that we eat every day throughout our life. So that's the main driver that keeps this gut either healthy or sick, whichever way we choose it to be. So now let's understand what is this link between immune system and the microbiome. All right. So there is about 70% of the immune system that lives in our gut. And all health starts in the gut. Digestive system is the root of our entire body. So the gut plays a very crucial role in maintaining the immune system and the metabolic homeostasis, protecting us against all the pathogens that invade our body. Altered gut bacteria. Any alteration is called dysbiosis, and that has been associated with the development of many inflammatory and infectious diseases that we do have. So that is the reason the gut is so very important. The dysbiosis in the gut is related to many intestinal conditions, including obesity, cancer, and any type of bowel disease. The job of the microbiome is to train the immune system. It keeps that immune system in check. If that microbiome is healthy, then it's able to do that. So a microbiome, when it's disrupted by the use of antibiotics before the age of 3, or if the mom had a delivery by C-section, and if the infant was quickly transitioned to bottle fed, those are a higher risk of disrupted microbiome. By the age of 2, the infants, by then they're really infant? No. The child's microbiota is, displays a lot of the bacteria. The gut looks very similar to the adult gut. The immune system is developed between the age of 2 and 3 years of age. So if you disrupt the microbiome, it is the pathway for any of the immune problems. So even a single dose of an antibiotic, like Augmentin, for example, just wipes your gut flora off. and throws your microbiome out of shape. And that, is a vicious cycle for immune system in your body, right? We are talking about one dose, but usually what antibiotics are prescribed for 5 days at least. And also it's the same thing with if the usage of non-steroidal anti-inflammatories like Motrin, Advil, it just wipes out 80% of your gut flora by the usage of these. So you just got to be very careful of what you are taking into your body and keep that in mind about your gut flora, how you want it to be. All right, now, have you ever suffered any type of intestinal problems like cramps or bloating, constipation? And did you ever think that was connected to your gut or linked to your microbiome? Tell me in the comments below. I would love to hear from you, and continue watching this video until the end so that you can learn with me how to improve your gut health, how to improve your microbiome, and in turn your immunity. All right, now let's understand our gut health from infancy, from the time we are born. All right, when the baby is first born, the intestinal tract is very clean. There is, it has lots of good microbiome during the time in the womb. It shared mother's intestinal, gastrointestinal system throughout that 9 months, right? And right after the delivery, the baby, it consumes quite a bit of the other microbiomes, as that sterile one is getting a lot of other microbiomes that are being ingested into the baby as you are feeding the baby. So however, the infant GI tract colonizes, as you're doing this, it's colonizing so much of other bacteria right from the time of the delivery. That you need to keep an eye on. That's so impactful because it starts right from the delivery time. So you need to be careful of what you are feeding your baby from that time. So the consumption of the infant gut, the composition the composition of the infant gut can vary significantly based on on a number of factors that we have just mentioned. It's the mode of delivery, all right, how you are feeding. Is it bottle fed or breastfed? Or if you have given any type of antibiotics, prebiotics, or probiotic usage. So those are the things that you need to keep an eye on as you are carrying and feeding your infants, even during the time of pregnancy. What is getting into your body because you're sharing that with your baby in the womb. All right. If you ever feel gassy bloating, that is the first check engine signal. You should not ignore. You should investigate that and look into your gut. That's the first step you need to do, because the gut is the root of our body. So throughout the root system, the entire plant, the roots are the ones that's nourishing the entire plant, right? So it's the same way. The gut nourishes this entire body. So that is the main engine that is supplying fuel. So we need to keep that happy and healthy. A healthy microbiome is a healthy you. If that you do not have a healthy microbiome, no matter what type of supplements or nutritious food that you are consuming, your digestive system does not work very well. So you are what you eat. So that's why you need to be careful of what you are consuming and how you are treating your microbiome. Only if your food is digesting well, then only your entire system can work well. It needs to digest well, it needs to absorb well, it needs to have a variety of food, and for it to be able to function at its optimal level. Immune system resides in our microbiome. So if we can heal your immune system, the immune system will heal you. So it's just that relationship, both of them. So one has to be healthy for the other one to be healthy too. So all the diseases start from your gut. Healing of the gut and the microbiome has to occur to improve this entire digestive system. Inflammation in your brain is the inflammation in your gut. It is just a vicious cycle. So, how can you improve your gut health and your immune system? With whole food, plant-based diet. That's very, very simple to keep this gut microbiome happy and keep your immune system in check. So reconnect with where that food is coming from. Buy local. Go to the local farmers market. Talk to the farmers, how they are growing this food, where they are bringing that from. When you go to a supermarket, go to the produce section. Ignore all the other section and buy plenty of fresh produce. And if possible, organic is a better option. That's if possible. So just be careful of what you are buying, how you are cooking, and how you are putting into your body. These all play a huge, huge role in the health of your gut and your immune system. Healthy gut makes us happy and energetic, right? Most diets are designed to lose fat and muscle. The standard American diet misses 80% of the nuts and bolts that's needed for this machine of our body to run smoothly. So focus on real food, staying away from processed food. Lots of sugar only promotes more of yeast and fungal growth in you. The best way to create bacterial diverse microbiome is to have diverse food, more diverse plant-based food, consuming lots of plant-based fiber. That's what keeps this gut happy and healthy. To have a healthy, diverse gut, avoid antibiotics and toxins, chemicals. Avoid stress in your life. Stress causes inflammation in your body. Improve that diversity of your gut by cultivating a beneficial bacteria, by feeding the gut, by using a variety of plant-based fiber to keep it happy. So when your gut is happy, when your microbiome is happy, they use this chemical that really has a huge impact on our health, called the short chain fatty acids. These amazing organic acids are anti-inflammatory and anti-carcinogenic, that are also a great food source for our cells in our colon. colon. Consumption of plant-based fiber, that's what converts it to this short change fatty acids that helps keeps the gut very, very healthy, and we will be healthy and energetic. And also that avoids that leaky gut you have heard of, and also it prevents type 2 diabetes, lowers your cholesterol, prevents colon cancer, and that's how it keeps your immune system in check and balance, because it's communicating with our immune system. Because 70%, right? 70% we have talked about of our immune system lives in our gut. So they also prevent all this autoimmune disease that you hear of. They improve our brain function and prevent Alzheimer's diseases, improve our memory. You won't be forgetting things where they are, right? If you only can keep that gut happy and healthy. You feed it with diverse plant-based whole grains, fruits, vegetables, close to its natural form as possible. All right, so there's also something you can do to get really better and feel better. What is that? Just by feeding your body with simple, natural supermarket foods. And also keep in mind how you are going to cook it, how you are consuming it. All right, just because you are vegan does not mean that it's healthy. It's what is put in it. So it needs to be consumed close to natural as possible. So by you doing that, you are taking that first step. You are taking the first step towards a journey of healthy lifestyle. That is the key to a healthy lifestyle. So set yourself up for success. And don't forget to download the free PDF in the description box below, the Gut Healthy Foods document, so that it will give you a cheat sheet, what you can start feeding your gut by giving it healthy, natural, plant-based food. All right. I am your faith-based holistic coach. Until next time, choose the right option